So, I am embarking on a new journey and I'm going to let you guys in on it. This is me before marriage, before babies. This is also me, and this is me. Then this happened. I got married, got pregnant. This is me with our first child, and this is us pregnant with our second child. And here I am today about to embark on this weight loss journey, this leaning out journey, and I am working with a coach. So this is going to be a little vulnerable, and I will be showing updates about what I look like. And let me go ahead and show you one photo, one of my before photos. And then we will take it from there. I will let you in on what this process looks like. So this is mommyhood. This is 10 years, I think 10 years from that first picture that I was showing you. Two babies, 9 years of marriage, and I am ready to lean this body out. So here it goes. Sent my measurements to my coach. I went off to Trader Joe's and got a few items to get the game plan jump started. And in a couple of weeks, I will show you guys what I look like. You guys are ready to be on this journey with me? Just stay tuned, like and share, and tell me what you think. And we will see how I look in 2 weeks.